Kami ng Bisbay ngayon. Ito yung partner ko. Akong kaibigan. My new friends, Jack. And Sir Vic.
Yes.
Thank you so much for ride free.
I'm not paying for it.
He is the one who he is the one only booking.
Thank you so much, sir.
For booking.
Because I have no contact.
Or otherwise, we
Hey,
stay.
neither have I. It's the first time I've been to this fucking town.
Yeah.
Actually, we have contact also, but we don't have
Internet.
internet.
What's
This roaming.
also no WhatsApp.
We just rely on the Wi-Fi. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I was.
Ito ang amigo na kong gwapo.
But data,
Dodong
we
Aljun.
don't have.
Nakalibre. Paborito talaga. Dodong Aljun. Ayaw, no. Magkautit atong.
Go sure it now.
Go sure live na
Go
ako.
to San Francisco.
I go San Francisco. May kaibigan ko.
Going passing San Francisco.
Welcome to San Francisco. Ang ganda ng kanto, kotse. Anong kanto? Anong pangalan? Ano to?
Pilot.
Pilot?
Honda Pilot.
Guys, Honda Pilot. Ito yung sinasakyan namin. Ganda. Honda Pilot.
7-seater.
7-seater Honda Pilot.
May charger.
Laag, may kwartahay. Doon sa US.
Charger.
Kapo no? Ganda no?
Naglagoy ka tahay.
Laag, may kwartahay dari sa San Francisco. Grabe.
Nice day,
Murot na yung kuhan ba eh? Yung live.
Ala.
No? Traffic pa rin dire.
Traffic traffic is Pilipinas, Amerika baka.
If you've been in New York City, it would be worse, no?
It's better here San Francisco. This is our memorable. Mga gintong alaala namin ni Dodong Aljun. Dodong Aljun, atong gintong alaala ni Never See Die.
Interview. Tagasan siya sa nila.
My friend, where you came from, my friend? Jack.
Seattle,
Washington.
Yeah, it's same coast. A lot of my family's down here. It's easy. I was going at Polar. I mean, Seattle's close to Alaska. It's like not that far from home. I can just drive to the ship and get on.
Yeah.
And then I was working in Alaska, and then I come down here, and they were like, "Jack, are you sure that jacket's enough? It's so cold." And I'm like, "My house. This is my house during winter. This is winter. This is
same in our third officer, no? It's Connor. It's like a summer for me.
Yeah, this is. Look at
This temperature is normal.
Yeah, it's a normal, no?
Yeah, this is summer. This is summer temperatures. I mean,
Summer
it's
temperature.
And in the morning when it's cold, that's just winter temperatures. The seas are easy. We're not rolling that off. There's no ice anywhere, no snow.
Yeah. This is spring, no?
Yeah.
This is spring time here in San Francisco.
Fog can be annoying.
Interviewin natin yung Jack, si Sir Jack. Is a new friend, AP in Utah, Voyager.
Utah.
He's a vlogger. Vlogger in the Philippines.
Oh,
yeah.
I have a new friends, guys.
Do you use
See.
No, I speak
She's a single. Are you single, Sir Jack?
Yeah.
Are you single? Huh?
Very, very single.
Single, ready to mingle.
Need to mingle.
Yeah, it's too fucking.
Ganda dito, no? Richmond, no? Food dito, no?
Richmond Food Center.
Hanggang na dito guys. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.